Hey everyone, this is Adedayo, and today we'll be learning how to tweak an already existing style on the Korg Pa5X. Let's focus more on the drums on this one. Alright, let's go. First thing I want to do is pick a style. So let's use something funk and blues. This one is called Going on Souls. Let's play it. It sounds like this. Let's open up the mixer channel. This is the style. So if you want to solo the drums, this is just the drums. So now what we'll be doing, we'll be working on the drums. Let's tweak it a little bit. So what do? Click on menu, go to drum editor, and it brings you here. As you can see, this is the kick drum, snare, tom, hi-hats, cymbal, percussions, and all. So let's use this variation 3, and let's tweak the snare a little bit. Let's come here. I want to make the snare a little bit more. This is to tune the snare. Like the -2, let's okay, let's reduce the attack a little bit so it's sharp, and let's come to the kick. Reduce the attack too. Let's come to the hi-hat. Yeah, so let's take it back to 0. Let's go to variation 4. Let's see. This is for the cymbal. Okay. Let's tune the cymbal a little bit. If you notice, when we take it up, you don't hear the cymbal anymore. It has become dampened. So let's just take it to like, I think this is fine. Okay, let's work. Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm tuning the toms. Like that. Alright, let's go back to the mixer. So what I want to do again, I want to change we can change the drums here to whatever we want. If you want this one, the same thing applies to it. Go to drum editor. So you want to change the snare a little bit. So that is how to edit an already existing style to suit what you want. You can change the drums, you can edit it, you can mix it, you can do whatever you want to do with it and make it sound how you want it to sound. All right, let's practice.